So hello guys, welcome to iTechUp YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat in Android phone. Lot of Snapchat users has been reported to how to enable dark mode on Snapchat in Android phone. So guys, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and send, and also press the bell icon for the new informative video. Now first one important thing is Snapchat does not have an official dark mode settings in Android phone. We will be updating this section as soon as Snapchat announced the dark theme for its Android apps. Lot of Snapchat users reported to how to enable dark mode on Snapchat in Android phone. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and also mobile data to connect your Android phones. Connecting the strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to phone after again come back in home screens. Now open the Play Store in Android phone. In Play Store top corner search bar, in search bar search Snapchat. In Snapchat open after you can see also if any updates available. So guys, please make sure latest versions to update your Snapchat applications on your Android phone. Update your Snapchat applications after again come back in home screens. Now again open the Snapchat applications. In Snapchat you can see also left hand side corner profile icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. In this video you can see also dark mode not available, only light mode available in Snapchat account. In right hand side corner gear icon, but still app appearance options not showing in Android phone. So guys, now question is how to get and also enable dark mode on Snapchat in Android phone. Now I give you some settings for the Snapchat dark mode. This trick work for the some Android phone users like the Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung and also another brand Android phones. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all open the settings in Android phone. Now scroll down and select the last option is Realme Lab. These options for the Realme and also Oppo users. For the another Android phone users, dark mode options in display option. Now tap on the dark mode. In dark mode first option is enable now. If you turn off, so guys please make sure turn on these settings on your Android users. Now second option is dark mode for the third party apps. Now again simply tap on that and find out the Snapchat applications. If the Snapchat applications this feature is turned off, so guys please make sure turn on these features on your Android phones. These two settings done after wait for the some times. Now again come back in home screens. Now again open the Snapchat applications on your Android phones. Another brand Android phones one settings too, you can easily done dark mode on your Snapchat applications. Now again Snapchat applications open your Android phones. Now left hand side corner profile icon. In profile icon you can see also dark mode easily available for your Snapchat applications and also Snapchat account. So guys, now you can see also 100% working this way to dark mode on your Snapchat applications. In your Android phones dark mode is not working, so guys please make sure comment on this video comment sections with the model number and also DM on my Instagrams. I will try to another way to fix your dark modes on your Snapchat application. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections and also press the bell icon for the informative videos. Thank you so much.